Hello everybody, this is Philemon from Hookamonk company, and today I will guide you through the process of configuration of Wi-Fi connection to your newly received Warp device, as we have it on my table. So the reason why to connect the device into the internet is mainly because of the fact that we are releasing updates of our smoking algorithm and other useful features quite often, regularly on a daily basis. So if you don't want to be missed, then go ahead and connect your device into the internet. So next reason is that if you have any problem with your device, we are able to connect to your device and analyze what is going wrong and maybe advise you with some settings and maybe preparation of the smoke of the shisha as well. So this is how to do it. When you unbox your Warp for the first time, it's of course offline because we don't know anything about your Wi-Fi connection credentials. So you need to somehow configure this nicely appropriately. So how we do it is that this Warp device basically starts its own hotspot if it is not capable to connect to the internet, and you need to use your mobile phone or you need to use your laptop or whatever device you have at your disposal to configure the Wi-Fi. So let me just do the screen recording to guide you through this. Okay, so if you go into the settings menu on your iPhone, or if you have Android, it probably looks a little bit different. You should see a Wi-Fi which is nearby called Hookamonk Wi-Fi and some 4 trailing numbers. These are specific to your Warp, so in my case it's 1552. And the device should automatically open the screen with, the web page with the configuration. We are using Captive Portal for this, and sometimes it's automatic, sometimes it's not. If the web page won't show up automatically, you can still go there manually. So I'm glad that actually it didn't happen in my case, so I can show you this little bit harder process. So basically copy the router IP, and you need to connect to this IP directly. So let's see. Okay, it's loading. Sometimes it's a little bit clunky, so it won't open, so you need to refresh it once again. So it's Internet of Things, guys, so it's not 100% every time. So once again, okay, do it once again. Okay, now it finally popped up. So basically you should see all networks which are visible to Warp. In my case, we will use this public network Hookamonk with some credentials. Okay, connect. And now you need to wait, let's say 30 seconds while this box is trying to connect to the Wi-Fi, and it takes another like 30 minutes, 30 seconds after it's fully connected. So you need to basically wait. You don't need to restart the box in order to have the connection active. So basically after this, let's say 1 minute, it will be connected to the internet. So let's wait for a while. I can tell you some jokes, maybe not. I'm not a very good jokes teller, so without jokes today. And okay, I would say it's enough. How do you know that your Warp is connected to the internet? You will find it out when you start a session. and you should see the icon above the numbers here. So if the Wi-Fi is available and the internet is connected, and it's connected to the internet, the Wi-Fi is not scratched. Otherwise, it's scratched and so on. So this way, it's basically connected. The other way how to actually find that the Wi-Fi is connected is just by checking the Wi-Fi which are nearby, and you shouldn't see any Hookamonk Wi-Fi available. So this is it. As you have seen, sometimes the configuration page won't pop up. It's maybe because of Apple, I don't know. Definitely not because of our poor programming skills. And you should be patient, basically. So after the connection, after the setting up the credentials, just wait a minute or so. If you actually provide wrong credentials, which may happen, the Hookamonk Warp will try to connect to this Wi-Fi. If it doesn't succeed to connect, basically the hotspot will be started again. So you have next chance to actually configure it properly. And this is it basically. So whenever you transport your Wi-Fi to warp to the new location, you need to configure the Wi-Fi once again. So peace brothers, peace Hookarians, and I wish you full smoke and full taste of tobacco, and please share feedback with us on our either community channel on Slack or write an email directly to us. Take care, bye.